You might have had Indo-Chinese mixed veg dishes, but today we are making an Indian rustic food with a comforting Bathua mixed veg that's not just delicious but brimming with nutrients and fibers. A great mixed veg dish starts with perfectly prepped ingredients. For the Bathua leaves, pick the tender upper stems and discard the tough lower parts. For this dish, we are going to use 2 bunches of Bathua leaves. Once the leaves are collected, bunch them together and cut the leaves into bite-sized pieces to help them cook evenly. Then, wash the leaves thoroughly to get rid of any dirt or impurities. For the veggies, peel a chunk of pumpkin, a small potato, and a sweet potato. Once the potato is peeled, cut it into an half and then give diagonal slices. Similarly with your sweet potato, cut it into an half and then give slices and make it into small pieces. Take your pumpkin, cut it into slices and then make smaller slices. Be careful, the pumpkin tends to slip. Next, we will be using broad beans. For this, remove the strings on both sides and cut it into 3 pieces. Finally, take a small piece of brinjal, slice it breadthwise and then half the slices. With our vegetable preparation done, let's make the mixed veg. For this, heat some mustard oil in a pan until it's smoking hot. Then, toss in Matar dal Vadis, which are yellow split pea nuggets, and fry them until they are golden brown. Once done, set them aside for later. Next, in the same oil, add the brinjal pieces and fry about 2 minutes on high heat until they get a lovely golden color. This will give the brinjal a beautiful flavor. Then, toss in the rest of the prepped veggies into the hot pan. Stir fry on high heat for a minute to give your vegetables a good flavor. Now, add in the chopped Bathua leaves. The fragrance of the Bathua leaves combined with your vegetables at this point is simply majestic. Stir fry them until the leaves starts to wilt. Then spice it up by adding a pinch of turmeric powder, a bit of Kashmiri chili powder, a dash of spicy chili powder for the heat, powdered jaggery for the balance of taste, and salt to taste. Mix well, ensuring all the veggies are coated in the spices. Fry until you see your vegetables start to release their moisture. Then lower the heat to simmer, cover the pan and let the veggies cook in their own juices for about 5 minutes. Then add the fried worries back into the pan. These nuggets will soak up all the flavors and add a delightful texture. Cover again and let everything cook for few more minutes until the vegetables are perfectly tender and the moisture has evaporated. Your flavorful Bathua mixed veg is ready. Pair it with steaming hot rice and dal or soft rotis for a wholesome and satisfying meal.